This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to add or change your Letterboxd profile picture. So I'm right here on my Letterboxd profile. You can see there's a picture of me and my wife here. This is actually this is us on holiday in Egypt. Before we had children, we go on holiday a little bit less right now. But in order to actually change this, you need to be on your profile. So if you're on the homepage right here, you will come up to the picture of yourself if you have one already and you want to change it, or you will just see the username and you'll click profile. So once you're on the main profile, you will then click edit profile, and then we will come over to avatar. Here it's the third one along, and you can drag and drop an image here from your computer, or you can just click on select new avatar, and that will open up your default kind of download location. So you will find the image from there, and you'll click open. And I'm not going to change mine right now, but that will change your image, and you'll have a brand spanking new image, or a first image, on your profile, and you'll see it here. Everyone who visits your profile will be able to see that image, whether they're on desktop, on tablet, cell phone, mobile phone, whatever. They'll be able to see it on the app. It will be changed across your account. Hopefully you found this video on how to change your Letterboxd profile image useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.